So students, now here is next third activity to show that particles, so that evidence regarding that matter is made up of many tiny particles. Means here movement of pollen grains in water. Exactly this activity and the experiment was demonstrated by Robert Brown in 1827. Means Robert Brown took a beaker, एक beaker लिए, means that beaker contained water, and in that water he put some pollen grains. And you know, dear student, what is pollen grains? Pollen grains is a male gamete which is found in a anther, means when you take the flower and when you touch the anther, means stamen part, then you will get the powdery substance. That powdery substance is known as pollen grains of the male gamete. Exactly in a flowers you can see. Now for this activity he took a beaker, एक beaker लिए और beaker में उन्होंने pollen grains, कुछ grains वहां पे डाल दिए. Means now when he observed, because you know pollen grains are also very tiny, okay, and when he observed this activity under the high power microscope, he was able to see that pollen grains were moving here and there. मतलब pollen grains उस water में, जब water के surface में here and there move कर रहे थे, means in a zigzag motion or a random motions. तो उन्होंने conclude किया exactly why pollen grains are moving here and there in a water. Exactly, it was concluded that water is a matter. Since water is a matter and it is also made up of many innumerable means जिसको हम लोग गन भी नहीं सकते हैं, उतना particle से बना है, tiny particle से बना है. And when you introduce the pollen grains in that particles, and these particles are already moving in a fast speed, मतलब वो particles fastly move कर रहे हैं, water particles, and they start to continuously strike the pollen grains. अब ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाई है, जो छोटा छोटा डॉट है, छोटा छोटा डॉट देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, छोटा डॉट्स एग्जैक्टली रिप्रेजेंट करता है टाइनी वाटर पार्टिकल्स एंड अ बिट लार्जर वन. हियर यू कैन सी ये बड़ा बड़ा जो आपका सर्कल्स है यहाँ पे, मीन्स डॉट्स है यहाँ पे, दिस बिग डार्क डॉट्स एग्जैक्टली रिप्रेजेंट द टाइनी पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ पॉलन ग्रेन. और इसका ये मोशन है, मीन्स कभी इधर उधर इधर उधर वो मूव करना शुरू कर दिया है ना वाटर. मीन्स other examples also you can take. This is example in a means dust particle, means pollen grains particles shown in a water. Means when you see the gases, because if sunlight is, means if a ray of or a beam of light is reaching to your room in a dark room, and you can see many tiny dust particles flying in that air. मतलब एयर में हम लोग देख सकते हैं जब वहाँ पे लाइट पड़ता है आपके रूम में, आप बहुत सारा टाइनी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, तो जो भी आपका मीन्स डस्ट है, चाहे मे बी मड्स पार्टिकल है, वो दिट स्टार्ट टू फ्लाई एज अ एयर पॉल्यूटेंट. मीन्स व्हाई एग्जैक्टली दीज आर फ्लाइंग, मीन्स फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज गेटिंग द एनर्जी. एग्जैक्टली इट इज द air molecule, fast moving air molecule which strike on the dust particles, tiny dust particles, and these dust particles remain in a motion in air or a atmosphere. Smoke देखा होगा, smoke rises along with the black soot particles. That black soot particles are continuously struck by the tiny fast moving air particles. So यहाँ से हम लोग conclude कर सकते हैं, means why pollen grains started to move randomly on the surface of water, because the pollen grains move on the surface of the water because you can write they are constantly being hit by the fast moving particles of water. वो move करना इसलिए शुरू कर दिया because these pollen grains tiny particles was constantly and continuously heated by tiny fast moving particles of water right? Next, we can see the dust particle, means why we can see the dust particles moving in the air. इसका भी रीजन वही है. We can see the dust particles moving here and there, means in a random way or in a zigzag path in a air, because the dust particles are constantly hit by the fast moving particles of the air. लोग कंटिन्यूसली वो एयर पार्टिकल्स उसको स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, इसलिए डस्ट पार्टिकल वहां पे जिगजैग मोशन में, जिगजैग पाथ में वो मूव कर रहा है. सो मीन्स यू कैन डिफाइन व्हाट इज ब्राउनियन मोशन. मतलब द जिगजैग मीन्स रैंडम, not sure and certain, means it may move in any directions, up, down, anything else, right, left, right, means the zigzag or a random movement of the small particles suspended either in a liquid or a gas is called Brownian motion. यदि कोई भी particles, small particles, यदि उसको suspend किया जाए either in a liquid or in a air or a gas, then it start to move due to the continuous and constantly striking of the tiny particles of that liquid or a gas. That motion means the motion of those particles is known as Brownian motion. यहाँ definition आ सकता है. Define Brownian motion. Simply you have to define the zigzag or the random movement of the small particles. मतलब zigzag होना, इधर उधर मूव करना है. जो particles, जो suspended particles है, कहाँ पे? Either in a liquid or in a gas. उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं, उसी मोशन को हम लोग बोलते हैं Brownian motions. So dear student, up to this topic, I think you might have been clear.